Why does your health tech feels like it's moving in slow motion? You're working harder than ever. Your team is talented. Your product is solid. But growth feels excruciatingly slow, like you're running through the mud. But here's the thing. It's not about working harder. The real problem? Systemic friction in your business infrastructure. And most founders cannot see it until someone shows them exactly where they're stuck.
Welcome to HealthTech Growth, the weekly podcast for healthcare founders and innovators, where we explore essential strategies to create successful and sustainable healthcare startups that improve patient outcomes and transform the healthcare industry.
Let me be clear. You're already working hard. That's not the issue. More effort won't fix systematic problems. The problem is friction, which means invisible bottlenecks that compound and slow everything down. And when I say everything, I mean everything. There are 4 types of friction slowing you down right now. First, misaligned team roles. You got the right people, but they're in the wrong seats. Talent isn't matched to actual strength. People are doing work they're not built for, and it's draining their energy. Second, fragmented strategy. Marketing says one thing, sales says another. Operations is doing something completely different. No unified direction. Everyone's rolling in different directions, and decisions are made in silos. Third, weak operational infrastructure. Everything is manual. Everything is custom. There are no systems or processes to support growth. You cannot scale because nothing is repeatable. You're reinventing the wheel every single time. And fourth, founder overfunctioning. You are the bottleneck. Every decision flows through you. Your team cannot move without your input. You're working in the business instead of on it. Now here's what most people miss. This isn't about one problem. It's about how these problems compound. Each friction point slows you down 10 to 20%. Combined, they create that slow motion feeling. You're not lazy. You're not incompetent. Your system is broken. So what do fast-moving companies have that you don't? Aligned teams. People in roles that match their natural strength. Everyone energized by their work. Talent optimized for maximum impact. Integrated strategy. All departments aligned on one clear direction. And decision made with full context. Everyone rolling in the same direction. Strong infrastructure. Systems that enable speed, repeatable processes, scalable operations, and empowered leadership. The founders is focused on strategy, not execution. The team makes decisions independently. The business runs without constant founder input. Here's the truth. You cannot fix what you cannot see. Most founders guess at the problem. They throw solutions at symptoms instead of diagnosing root causes. What you need is a comprehensive diagnostics, something that reveals exactly where the friction is. That's where our 12-point impact evaluation does. It shows you precisely where you're stuck and gives you a clear path forward. Look, slow motion isn't about effort. It is about systematic friction. And the solution? Diagnose the exact friction points. Now fix them systematically. If you're ready to see where the real friction is and get recognized for breaking through these barriers, I want you to type awards in the comment below, and we'll send you the nomination link for our Impact Award. This is where we celebrate healthcare innovation companies that are moving fast and making real impact. Type awards below right now. There are 6 categories: Deadline is March 1st. Type awards below.
Thank you for listening to HealthTech Growth. If you're a healthcare tech innovator or founder interested in being a featured guest on our show, visit healthtechgrowth.io to learn more.